New Shopee sellers just got double the runway before fees start. The free window just got bigger effective August 1, 2026. Shopee raised its new seller commission fee waiver threshold. The old limit was 100 completed orders. The new limit is 200. The waiver also still applies for a seller's first 120 days, whichever limit is hit first. More room to actually test the market. New sellers previously lost their fee-free status twice, as fast under the 100 order cap. Doubling that threshold gives more time to test pricing, build reviews, and find what actually sells. This applies to eligible local marketplace sellers. Check your specific market's eligibility before assuming it applies. Know which limit you'll hit first, whichever happens first. 120 days or 200 orders ends the waiver. A fast-moving store could still hit 200 orders well before 120 days pass. Track both numbers, not just the order count, so fees don't surprise you mid-month. Use the window. Don't waste it. This waiver period is the cheapest your operating costs will ever be on the platform. Reinvest the margin you're saving into building reviews and testing what actually converts. Once fees start, your pricing and margins need to already reflect that reality. Plan for it now.